Today we're at Universal Studios, the entertainment capital of LA. Today we're going to be doing a whole bunch of construction updates and seeing what's here new at Universal Studios. So today is the last day for all of the Christmas decorations and for the Hogwarts Christmas show. And I'm gonna try to get that today for you guys.
Isn't our flip back? Hold on tight. You don't actually flip. I know. The water world?
Rumors have it that Waterworld is gonna be going soon for room for the Diagon Alley from Harry Potter so that they can expand the land out. What do you think about that? And while we're here, go ahead and subscribe please, bro, because I need it. So we finally get to see the construction on the rumored Secret Life of Pets ride. I feel like we're all hyping this up and it's gonna end up to be a restaurant or something. But this is a rumored Secret Life of Pets ride. And it looks like the construction's going pretty well. They really have a lot up and we saw it on the highway, so like it's making great progress right now. Jurassic World had a new paint job right there, the gray. You can also see that the steel over there. They're having steel work over the main frame of Jurassic Park. And then in the back over there, that's Super Nintendo Land. That's where rumors Super Nintendo Land's supposed to be. But yeah, they painted the whole building gray to like a Jurassic World kind of color. I'm showing them that right now the lines are really low. We have Transformers with no wait and the Mummy with 15 minutes. And also Simpsons all have 30 or 20 minutes. So I'd say we're having a pretty chill day. Today is the 6th on a Sunday, and surprisingly during holiday break not a lot of people are here. So we're gonna head downstairs to the lower lot in a minute. So you can see all the Nintendo Land stuff, all the clearing and debris. They're demolishing all of the stuff over there so they can make room for Nintendo. And that's where it's supposedly supposed to be at right now. And it's taking over a big piece of land, so that's also cool. Here you can see the new paint coat for the new Jurassic World ride. I feel like they're going for a more modern gray kind of Jurassic World kind of color. You can also see some construction crew members working on the, I don't know what they're working on, but they drained all the water. And I'm not sure what he's doing. Probably leave in the comments what you think he's doing. They finally got rid of the Jurassic Park sign, and they're probably gonna be changing that to Jurassic World very soon. And that's just unfortunate to see the sign go. But what I'm hoping is they don't keep this brown stuff, that they actually change it to something new. Like probably like the pyramid that you see in the movies.
There's no way to get away. You gotta remain calm, you gotta be there like a churro. Still.
Looks like they have some new merch out right now on sale. I really like this director one. You can also see that they're doing some paint, some blue paint right here. I guess they're just repainting all of it, really.
She's looking at me like I'm easy.
Remember before you used to go up there and meet the Grinch?
Yeah.
Please, no smoking of any kind during the tour. Be prepared, our today features loud noises, sudden tram movements, fire effects, many water effects. On stage, The Voice, hosted by Carson Daly.
Hi everybody, I'm Carson Daly from NBC's The Voice. I want to welcome you to the Universal Front Lot. Our show is filmed on stage 12. It happens to be the largest sound stage on the Universal lot. Take a look.
That's how big it looks inside Soundstage 12, and it's empty on your screens. Pretty big, huh? They can build any kind of set inside of these sound stages and build any kind of world. We go from our largest soundstage.
His name is worth more in Scrabble tiles. Uzo Aduba or David Oyelowo. Uzo Aduba.
On your right, they are building more theme park. This will be Jurassic World, a ride opening this summer. Take a look to your left. You'll see Soundstage 21. Superstore films in stages 16, 17, and 21 on your left. These are their trailers. Trailers are dressing rooms for the stars. But there's a big feature about stage 21. There's a pit inside of it that can be filled with water. That's the sound stage. They fill that pit with water and they film test footage for the movie.